Pressure is not actually stuck there. And how are you going to do it so it shows?
Yeah, because I'll put it there. Look at that, it's a cleaning pad.
Ta-da!
Germ shield.
So, we had a bright idea to decorate the motorhome, make it look a bit nicer. We bought some tiles, stick-on tiles from B&M, which are white, so hopefully it'll brighten the place up as well a little bit. So £5 for 5 sheets of tiles. So I'm hoping they're going to stick on and make it look nice and bright and provide us with a nice splashback, but we shall see. I need to clean it so it's got a nice surface, but currently we've got a bit of glass out which we can show you. So there's a bit of glass here which I'm hoping we're going to take the tiles up to about here. Thank you. Tiles up to about here maybe? Do you
Yeah,
agree?
I think so, yeah.
And it should look really nice and clean. Because this area gets a bit greasy, I'm going to use some elbow grease. My favourite stuff that cleans up everything. To give it
grease
a good
station.
spray on.
The grease
It's not good
station.
for grease though, it's good for everything. That's not an advert, by the way.
No, we're not being paid or sponsored by B&M or elbow grease.
Or elbow grease.
Yeah.
We just like it.
Boys?
We're even then.
Not even. Then
We
we've got to do
need to
next.
remove this piece of glass so then I can clean that.
What's it held on with?
Screws.
Oh
We
yeah,
need a
right, I'll get
screwdriver.
that. I'll sort that. I'm sorting that. Glass removal.
Masterclass.
Yeah.
Got it.
Got it in 7. Right, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Smash! Smash! Smash!
Oh, what's that?
Oh, it's gluey, sticky
Okay.
glue stuff. Right, we have a clean wall. They come out anyway, but they'll just leave a hole in the surface. We've just got to think about.
We'll just leave them there for now.
Yeah, leave
Clean
them there.
this. More elbow grease. I need some more off.
Sonnie, what are you doing?
Nothing.
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 What are you doing, IG? You driving us? What are you looking for, Beck?
I think that it's going to scrub the grease off a little bit better.
I've got a grease scrubber better, I think. Is there not a sponge in the bowl there?
Yeah, a brand new one. Ta-da!
Look at that, it's a cleaning pad.
Ta-da!
Germ shield.
Let's try that, see if that makes any
Oh, we've got a party going on over here.
Oh. Do you want a disco?
Boys on a disco. Have a dance then. That's good dancing. That's good. Yeah.
Next step. I think I'm going to measure them so I know where to cut them. Pressure. Oh, that looks quite even though. Could maybe go to that tile. You think? Do you agree?
Well, yeah, when they're out of the pack, they'll probably line up. Give it a go.
Let's open it and find out. They're thicker than I thought. Okay. There's a lip there, isn't there?
Yeah, but that's just the over shonker in it.
Yeah, but to measure it, I think. Should I cut that off?
Yeah.
I think.
Do it. Look at this.
Cut
Precision.
the
Precision.
measure. So, are we doing a whole tile at the bottom?
Yeah, I think so.
It needs to be there. Oh, it's
That's annoying, isn't it?
Yeah. Unless we lift them up a bit. Because then you'll have beading on the bottom.
Yeah.
Will you bead over it?
No.
No?
No, because the ceiling's behind it already. How do we do this?
That's annoying. So I've trimmed a little bit off the bottom. And I'm hoping that, well, if we lift that up a tiny bit at the bottom. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
If I just cut from the top,
Yeah. Do it.
that should.
Do it. We're going for it, boys and girls.
Pressure is not actually stuck there. Okay. Oh, goodness.
Move these wonderful jibbly jabblies out the way.
Maybe shouldn't have taken the whole lot off.
Yeah, take them all off. Let's do it. Let's mess it up.
that.
Well, that's going to look good, I think. Especially like the overlap here bits. I think that'll be good.
We'll deal with that.
Daddy and Mummy! Right, let's crack on. What have we learned back?
So, at this point, we realised we should have started this end because now it's really hard to try and figure out how much I need to cut there.
It's actually too close for comfort,
yeah,
but it leaves.
I literally need to cut here, so it's going to be really annoying. But we've got little bits of tile left. We can fill it. We can wing it. But on the other side, we're going to start from this end.
Yeah, over there.
Because that makes sense.
Right, let's give this a go.
Oh, they stink. Oh my god, that would be amazing if that actually worked.
What'd you say, Beck?
I should do this as a job. This is perfect. Oh, amazing.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Ta-da! I think we need to put in extra tiles there because where it says overlap here, it looks like there's a tile there.
Yeah, looks good.
And nobody's going to look back.
No one's going to look. We're not going to let
Just
anyone
everyone
know.
who watches this will know.
All 14 people. Enjoy the knick-knacks. Knick-knack? Knick-knack? There you go.
So,
There. Have a knick-knack. Go for it, Beck.
if I cut the tiles,
Yeah.
I'm not going to need the grey because there's grey already round
Yeah.
there. So I just cut the grey off, but I'm going to need grey on this end.
You are. And you've got grey on that end.
So I
cut
need
one
to
of
do
them in
it
half,
this
look.
way.
Yeah, and then you've got the other way as well, haven't you?
So I need to do it like that. I really should have got a pen out here. So I need
Come
to
on, you've
cut
got a pen.
there.
Yeah.
How am I going to mark that?
Use the little screwdriver. Just give yourself a little tolerance. And then you can draw a square.
Lawrence.
This is the most vital bit, Beck.
Oh no, this is pressure.
Is pressure.
Okay, so we're measured. Before I unstick, I'm going to test it. Well,
Using primitive
pretty
tools.
good, no?
We're using primitive tools.
Pretty good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Primitive tools.
Try it. Oh no. Oh no.
What's knowing?
The backing, I've not got anything to grip to.
Go on, you do it, Beck. Grip it. Right, ready?
Ready for
This
the
is one
moment
of two.
truth. Don't do it
One of
upside
two.
down. I've got white on the edge, so which is annoying. It looks really good. I'm really chuffed.
Right, so that's
Just
that
don't
side.
look too close to that little bit. But
Side thing.
I think
Now look at the finer detail.
that looks pretty damn good.
You struggling with something, Beck?
I can't get the backing off, and it's the last tile.
Oh dear.
I got it! I got it! Oh no, ping back.
Oh no.
Okay, I got it.
Are you happy with yourself, Beck?
Yeah, just a bit. It looks really good. Oh, yeah.
It does. It does. Let's get the glass back on.
Tidy up. It all look good.
Cracking job there, back. What we saying, Beck?
I'm really chuffed. It's brightened it up, I think, because it was all very
really
dark,
good.
wasn't it? But it went on alright.
Yeah. There was a few swear words that you can't hear.
Okay, yeah.
So
Don't
yeah.
need to have sound on.
Nope. Yeah, I think it looks really good and it looks nice with the glass over it as well. So we've managed to keep that because I think we planned not to put that back on.
Yeah.
But it looks really good. So,
Needed to go on.
what are your concerns?
I'm chuffed with that. I think the only issue that I've got is we've got a little bit of a bump here where there was a screw and a little. I don't actually know what the screw this in.
Yeah, they pull the panel to the
So we've got a bit of a bump. So as long as this stays on at the top, I think we can deal with a bit of a bump.
Do you know how we get around that? Take off that layer.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so we can do that. We can do that without doing too much damage.
Quite chuffed with myself.
No, well done, Beck. And yeah, please feel free to comment what your thoughts are if you've done something similar. And we could possibly.
I decided to not start at that end, even though I said the mistake was to not start at that end because it actually worked better.
Yeah,
so I did
there we
it right
go.
in the first place.
So don't listen to your own advice. Don't listen to us because we don't know. But we did it. And actually, you could do the same. Did you do the same in here? No. You could do it on the wall there in the bathroom. But no. Leave your comments if you've done it before. Don't forget to like. And if you don't mind clicking the bell icon for notifications and subscribing to our channel, you can see more stupid content like this of us making fools of ourselves. But yeah, enjoy.
Thanks for watching.
Don't judge me. Well, you can judge me. But I came back in and I trimmed this down so now it doesn't cover the whole thing that sticks out. It now matches the other side. But Becky did a good job. So I just went and messed it up for her and then had to redo it because I messed it up. But let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks, guys.